Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. It's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video. So I hope you guys have already subscribed. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. All right, guys. So I am going to take you guys along my week. Okay, yes. So this was a week heading to Mother's Day weekend. And anyways, guys, right now I am just gonna kind of showing you guys the Fashion Over, some things that I bought from Fashion Over, mainly jeans and one sweater, because I needed some new jeans, So I thought, hey, let me get some from Fashion Nova. So guys, stay tuned for a Fashion Nova haul soon. I hope I'm not going to get lazy and I'm gonna try to do one for y'all. Okay, so yes guys, so this vlog leads to Mother's Day weekend. I do have a clip on Mother's Day saying happy Mother's Day to every mother out there, but the official vlog will be uploaded on the next vlog after this one. So you guys, I'm just showing you guys where I got these clothes from. I also purchased some clothes for the kids, yes, for the boys, from Children's Place online. Guys, I got some sports shorts and t-shirts. I also got some jeans and some dress up shirts. Yes. Yes, so I got them from Children's Place online. Okay. Yes. So other than that, guys, I also want to tell y'all, like, my son wants to cut his hair. He is done having long hair, y'all. He is done. And yeah, so he's gonna be cutting his hair on one of this vlog, but I'm not going to include it on this vlog. I'm gonna include it on the other vlog because I got so many things going on right now. Oh guys, this is the weights that I showed you on my last vlog. I'm just kind of showing you guys while it wasn't unboxed yet. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much. All right, y'all, so I am done cleaning up the kitchen. Now I'm getting ready to make my breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys my tea. So this is what I had with some bread, y'all. I had some tea with some bread. Okay, so that's my tea, and now I am going to show you guys how the kitchen looks like. I'm still showing y'all my tea. So the kitchen looks nice and tidy. I'm happy of the outcome. I just like when my kitchen is nice and tidy, looking good. You understand? Yes. Who doesn't? Don't y'all like when your kitchen is nice and clean? It's like so refreshing. So after this, I am going to get the breakfast ready for the family. Okay, so I'm gonna get the sausages ready for the kids, for later on when they, start getting ready for school. And I also have my husband's sausages there as well, because he gonna make his own breakfast a little later. But I like to have the sausages ready because that's like the staple, and some eggs. But I don't make the egg because it's kind of too early to make the eggs. I gotta be at work early, so he does the eggs and all that good stuff. So yes, guys. So these are the sausages that we use from Costco. They are chicken-based sausages. They are fully cooked. All you gotta do is put them in the oven, and yes, my morning is complete. Hey guys, how you guys doing? We just got home. So I and the kids, we just got home. So I'm trying to make some quote-unquote chapatis here. Is actually tortillas. I'm about to fry them. I don't know if I'm gonna fry them or just heat them up or whatever, but I'm hungry. This is what I'm gonna have for dinner. This is what I'm gonna have for dinner, and they're probably gonna have some rice and chicken. But yeah, here's the tortilla. It's getting stuck in here. It's burned. So it's right here. So I'm going to toast it just a little bit. Toast it just a little bit. Toast it just a little bit. So guys, so I got my 2 tortillas right there slash chapatis because I like to toast them a little bit. So I'm going to make some egg because I feel like eating some egg, and I'm also going to feed the boys because they're probably hungry right now. It's currently 6:09 p.m. but they usually eat about 7 o'clock. So I'm thinking it's a little early for them to eat their dinner because they probably had some dinner at supper because they do play soccer. And they also feed them like supper, so they're not really that hungry. I'm pretty sure they're not that hungry. So 7 o'clock I'm gonna feed them, and right now I'm just gonna feed myself because I'm hungry. So here, guys, is my egg. just finished my 3-mile run. So yeah, I did it, and I also did some drills. So I'm sweating, as you guys can see. So I'm tired. I need to stretch. Then I need to take my son's hair. He wants a haircut. My younger son wants a haircut, so husband is gonna be doing that because I don't know how to cut hair to save my life. Oh, well, I know how to cut my hair, but I feel like I'm gonna mess it up on his hair because I feel like there's a special way the boys are supposed to cut their hair. I don't know. So, going to stretch. There goes my second boy. Where are you staying like that?
I don't know.
Body shot. Cause yo, I'm sweating. Look how sweating. My face is puffy too. I don't even know why. Gotta do my hair. I gotta do some hair video. I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but soon. Peace. Guys, so I am standing under the AC because I am sweating like crazy. And so yeah, guys, I'm about to stretch, y'all. I'm not gonna record me stretches. Y'all already know my stretches anyway. And we got somebody coming to record today because we got a studio in the house. So that kind of messed up my plans because that's gonna take me time. But yeah, guys, there is Mother's Weekend, Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you lovely mothers out there in the world with children, mother figures, inspirational people. Thank y'all so much for your hard work because being a mother is not an easy job, and some people are not called to be mothers and some are. So if you are out there, you have been a good mother, congratulations to you. God bless you. It's a happy Mother's Day. Guys, I got some chicken cooking. I changed my mind. I might as well start cooking now. So when the lady comes to record, I got my food ready for lunchtime and dinner. Because you got to kill 2 birds at the same time, y'all. So I got my chicken cooking. And now I'm getting ready to do my son's hair. And then I'm going to eat. Because he's going to eat after me. After doing his hair. Taking his hair out because he's about to get a haircut. So yes, guys, so we got some produce, guys. Got some bananas. apples, pears, some avocados right there. We are done.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss your hair. Don't miss your long hair.
Dang, my iPad smashed that Tito.
Oh, let's do some length check.
Good.
What?
Look at my hair.
I know we gotta cut it. Oh no. Bye-bye, long hair.
And you can see I'm still holding on to it.
I know, right? Me too. Let me see the turn around. He wanna cut his hair. Oh, you don't cut his hair. Oh Lord. What, stand up a little bit. Yeah. What?
If my hair kept on growing, my face would have been like this.
People, we're gonna miss your hair though. But you're not gonna cut, but you're not gonna cut it bald, are you?
Yes.
No, don't do it bald. Have some hair left on your head.
That's what I am gonna have. I'm gonna look like this if I cut my hair.
Are you excited
Yes.
for your new hairstyle, haircut, your new hairdo, haircut, or your new face?
I won't have a new face.
Huh?
I won't have a new face.
I mean, like, like you gonna look different. Obviously.
Oh, like people won't recognize me?
I mean, they will, but they used to you having long hair. Now they're gonna get used to you having short hair.
I know. I had long hair for like 4 years.
29. Remember we cut your hair? 2018.
3
No,
years?
Yeah.
I had long hair for 3 years.
Yeah, we cut it in 2019.
Exactly.
Grew so long.
Yeah.
3 years.
My hair is almost longer than Rafael's.
Okay, so we said that.
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that like button.
Yeah. Bye. Peace.
Follow on Twitter.
We don't have no Twitter.
No, I was just kidding.